Next topic for the negative impact. The negative impact that too much the flow of capitals, too much flow of capitals among the countries that introduce the unfair and immoral distributors of incomes, mainly for the too much flow of capitals, that is முதலீடு. Now amongst the countries they introduce the unfair and immoral distributors of income. Second one is the rapid increase the exploitations of natural resources. So lot of natural resources using in the foreign countries, the MNC companies, they are affected by the natural resources to earn the foreign exchange. They earn the foreign exchange. So second one is the rapid increase in the exploitations of natural resources to earn the foreign exchange. Another one is the environmental standard and the regulations have been relaxed. Another one is the environmental standards and the regulations have been relaxed. The another one points main part, the rapid growth of the country has required more infrastructures. For the rapid growth of the economy and has required a major infrastructure and resource extractions. These resources negative ecological and social causes. They are affected by the ecological and social causes for using the lot of affected the infrastructures. Another one is the fear is losing the natural integrating. Losing the natural integrating. So natural integrating is that remains the national original part. The another fears is losing the national integrating because of the too much exchange of the trade. The foreign trade and the international trade and the local trade, so affected by these national integrations. Because too much exchange of trade, the independent domestic policy or cost. So the 5 important factors, so the affected by this the impact and challenges of globalizations. So the first one is the too much flow of capitals among the countries. Another one is the introduce unfair and immoral distributors. Rapid increase the exploitations affected by the natural resources and earn the foreign exchange. The environmental standard and the regulations has been relaxed. The others for the losing the natural integration, affected by the national integrations because too much exchange of the trade, independence and domestic policy and cost. So next topic, challenges of globalizations. Next topic, the challenge of globalizations. The challenges of the globalizations. First one is for the benefits of globalizations. The benefits of globalizations extend to all the countries. All the countries. The benefit, mainly for benefit expand for all the countries, that will not happen automatically. Will not happen. So mainly the benefits the extend to the countries. Another one is the second point, the fear that the globalizations leads to the instability in development. So stability and instability in development in the world. The third one is the industrial world that increase the global competitions. The globalization is mainly focused on the world competitions, the poti. The competitions will lead to the race of the bottom in wages, mainly for the bottom of the wages, labor and the rights and the employment practice and the employment practice. These are his main characters. Another one is for the it leads to the global imbalance. Global imbalance. The fourth one is the globalization has led to an increasing to the activities such as. So increasing the activities such as mainly for the child labours and slaveries. So these are mainly for the globalization had led to the increase in activities such as child labours and slaveries. The other one is the globalization has led to the environmental degradation. So the affected the globalizations because lot of affected by the global environmental degradations. So one more point is the people started the consuming more junk food. So the globalizations mean lot of people using the junk food. This caused the degradations, affected the health and the spread of disease. So using the junk food, so affected the disease. So spread of the disease. So these are is a very important challenges of the globalizations. First one is the benefit of the globalizations, the extent to the all countries. Another one is that will not happen to automatically. The second one is the fact that the globalizations instability in development the world. The third one is the lead to the global imbalance. The fourth one is the globalization the increase the activities such as child labours and slaveries. Another one is the globalization lead to the environmental degradations. Another one is the using the globalizations, the lot of people using the junk food, thus affected the health, the spread of the disease also. These are is very important. Another one is for the industrial world is increase the global competitions will lead to the raise of the bottoms, wages, labor, rights and employment practice. These are is the challenge of the globalizations. Thank you.